Hey guys, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Real quick video for you, and it's about this. I think we're probably going higher on Monday. The bottom is not in, but a trading bottom does in fact seem to be in. We'll just take a walk here. This is a 5-minute chart of the QLD. That's the Ultra Q. 3 o'clock is where this thing bottomed and started taking off. So the Q obviously would as well. How about the spider? The same thing. How about the diamonds? Same thing. How about the transports? Same thing. How about stocks that are the percentage of stocks that are above their 40-day moving average? That's like one of the broadest ways you can look at the market. Same thing. How about the ones over the 200-day moving average? Same thing. So what I'm talking about here is, I think, and my work here is basically done. I think we're going to get a pretty nice rally into Monday. No telling what happens. Maybe Putin has his finger on the button or the trigger, or maybe somebody has their finger on the trigger behind Putin. Maybe nothing happens. Maybe everything happens. Who knows? I just know this. From a mechanical standpoint, the market is deeply oversold. Where we go after a rebound, it's anybody's guess. You gotta kind of take it one day at a time. But I will tell you this. We will get a rebound, and it's going to happen on Monday. If stocks gap down for whatever reason, like let's say there's some kind of bad news and the S&P gaps down, you got to be in there buying for a trade. Absolutely, in my mind, absolutely. If, on the other hand, the S&P gaps up, that's actually where you got to be more careful, because we do still have the sellers in charge. There is selling into strength. That's just the way things are. It's the way things are going to be all the way up until that time that they're not. So the idea is we want to be buying extremes, but we don't want to be buying extreme moves to the upside. We want to be buying extreme moves to the downside in an oversold situation, in a fade the panic trade. And so if we get, I'll say it one last time and then I'm out of here. If we get a gap down on Monday, you go ahead and look at that 1 minute. Go ahead and look at the 1 minute. Sorry. Get the hell off of my screen. You look at the 1 minute, you look at the 5 minute, you wait till you're seeing some green bars, and then boom, you pull the trigger and there's your trade. All right. Oh, and by the way, members, we'll be looking at this at the open on Monday. I have decided. I will see you then.